Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to delete a group chat in Messenger. So if you want to delete a group chat, you have to open up your Facebook app on your phone. Then before you can delete a group chat, you must have created a group chat in Messenger. So for you to be able to delete or remove it completely, you have to open it, then you tap on the profile. Then from there you're going to have some few settings to the group. So from there you can tap on the member. So from here you can remove member, you can remove from the group, just for you to be able to delete the group. Remove, then easy. And you as a creator, you also remove yourself. I can see and tap on leave. Then you can see the group has automatically been removed or deleted from the list of chat. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification bell and follow for more. Thank you.